Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to all of you on Smart Tech Expert YouTube channel. Today, I would like to brief about the free AI tools, top 10 best artificial intelligence content generator tools. As you know, on this YouTube channel, today Smart News, a series of videos are going regarding how to make money online, free online course. So let's start that how you can use AI tools free of cost and get generate your articles, posts and blogs with these top 10 best AI content generators. First of all, I would like to request, please subscribe my YouTube channel Smart Tech Expert, and if you have click on notification buttons, so when I have uploaded the videos regarding technology, so you can get notifications about this and get benefits. If you have any questions about blogging or any type of technology, you can join my WhatsApp group by clicking on following links. The link is also available in the description of this video. So let's start regarding top 10 best AI generator tools. I have turned on the computer screen. There is the first tool, AIWriter.com. You can try this AI writer. Click on this and claim your 1 week free trial. Write an article about English, email and sign up and start on free trial. You can get easily this options, and if you visit regarding the tools, here is the when you have completed your price planning. So here is the basic plan for $29 per month and up to 40 articles, and there is a standard plan $59 per month up to 150 articles, and here is the second is the power plan, $375 per month, and you can get up to 1000 articles, and here is the per credit hours you can use. Today we have selected another AI tool, wordai.com. This is also giving a free trial to use 10x your content output with AI, and you can also register yourself and get articles. If you have see the pricing plan of this after completion the free trial, then you can select monthly $57 per month, and here is the yearly $27 per month, billed quarterly if you have a billed quarterly, and enterprise custom is the on the basis of different articles write up. You can get this function also, and they have also facility try it free. On third position, here is the copyrighted, copywriter.ai. Here is also you can get a free trial, and also here is the another, after completion the trial you can get with 30 credits per month, $9, started in $19 per month, business in $49, and yearly $420 per year with 6,000 credits per year. So this is the copywriter AI, and fourth is the writecream.com. You can also get free credit hours by during the registration process, and then you can check the pricing of this free. $0 is 20 credits and 40,000 characters is allowed. On another side, standard $49 per month, 200 credits. Extended is the $69 per month and 750 credits, and custom is the user can define himself credits and get benefits from this. Here is the shortlyai.com website that providing the facility for AI generation tools. Here is the make writer's block a thing of the past, and here is you can enter your email address and get try free trial. After getting free trial, you can check the pricing plan of this. Here is the annual pricing, first you must sign up with your Facebook, Apple, and you can edit your information from here. Here is the annual plan for $65 per month, and here is the monthly plan, $79 per month, and you can see below is the features of every plan. On sixth position, here is the Jasper.ai. You can also see the pricing plan of this Jasper AI. You can get also free credit hours, and then starter with $29 per month, and boss mode is the 99 per month with 100,000 words per month, and here is the 20,000 per month. Next is the RightSonic.com website. Is you can also get free credit hours from here with 5,000 5-star reviews, and you can check the pricing plan of this RightSonic.com. Is the free trial with 10 credit hours, all basic features, and 25 language. And here's the basic with $15 per month, professional $45 per month, and startup is the 95 per month. Or here is the 195 for businesses and for agency type. They can also get this RightSonic.com for commercial use. Next is the Writerr, Writerr.me. This is also giving the sign up with free credit hours, and you can get pricing plan is here. Free plan is the generate 5,000 characters per month and access 30 plus use cases. Okay, then here is the saver plan, generate 50k characters, and here is the unlimited pricing prices plan. $9 per month is the saver plan, and $29 per month is the unlimited plan. On ninth position, here is the GoCopy.io. It is also giving you a free simplify writing. Now it's free of cost, and then after completion the free trial you can get the extended version, and after paying some amount. And last one is the Copy.ai. To use this AI tools, you can sign up with your email address, or you can sign up with your email address, and after completion of the free tools, you can free plan, you can select your pro version, $35 per month, 420 build yearly, and unlimited credit, unlimited projects. In free plan you can only use 10 credit per month and 100 bonus credit for the first month. 25 language and 90 plus copywriting tools is also available in free trial basis. So today's video is the regarding AI tools, top best tools which have giving you the facility with regarding free plan, free for services, and after completion of the free services you can get purchased of their pro and another extended versions of every AI tools. So hopefully today's video is a benefit for you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and also like my this video. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.